Gel permeation chromatography. In gel permeation chromatography, the stationary phase is made up of rigid and highly porous particles. Molecules are separated based on their sizes. The separation occurs inside the column. Let's see how gel permeation chromatography works. First, the stationary phase is packed inside the column. The column is in contact with the injector and a pump. At the end of column, there is a detector attached which detects the escaping molecules. The pump continuously pumps the mobile phase towards the column. The sample is injected inside the injector. The injector is the spot where the sample combines with the mobile phase and moves toward the column. When the sample reaches the column, the sample molecules get separated. Let's see how this happens inside the column. When the small sample molecules pass through the stationary phase, they get trapped in the pores of stationary phase. Therefore, they move slowly and escape later. But when the large size molecules pass through the stationary phase, they are not trapped. As their size is larger, therefore they could not enter into the pores of stationary phase. They move faster and stride out of the column first. The detector detects molecules when they escape out from the column. It then sends signals to a computer which displays them in the form of peaks on a graph. This graph is also called the chromatogram. Applications of gel permeation chromatography. Gel permeation chromatography is a brilliant technique for studying natural organic material. It also helps to find out the molecular weight of soluble organic substances. Gel permeation chromatography is helpful in finding out the characteristics and stability of natural organic substances in water. It is an essential technique for the analysis of large or macromolecules such as proteins, etc. The stationary phase could be made of different materials like dextran, polyacrylamide, and agarose. Discovery. Gel permeation chromatography was first invented by Leith and Ruthven in year 1955. Gel permeation chromatography is also called size exclusion chromatography and molecular sieve chromatography.
That is it for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to the Science Info channel. Like and share this video if you wanna help others. Stay tuned. I will see you in the next video.